Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
No, we're not going to do that. We're going to learn how to run our business, and then you're going to be a pro. And it's nothing like the illustration. Of course, I use it every day. It's teaching somebody how to fish versus giving them a fish. I teach you how to fish, and that way you will know how to run your business. We got some prime examples right here, right now. So I even have a wedding officiant course in there, Ani. Ani's talking about wedding officiant. So I even have a wedding officiant course. Every piece of the business that you could be interested in, field inspection, there's a little piece in there about that. I cover it, proctoring, whatever you need. So it's $47 per month, and we meet weekly. Every week we have live sessions, and then during those live sessions, we do a little teaching, a little deep dive on something, and then we open it up for coaching. Okay, every week. So it's an excellent program. Then we have the chat that I was just recommending to our new person here, that she joins the GroupMe chat. So GroupMe is how we communicate. You will ask your questions there. And again, I teach. So if you're not looking for teaching and you're looking for someone who can just sit by the phone and hold your hand and go to your appointment with you, I'm not going to be your mentor. I'm not. That's why I didn't do mentorship for a very long time. I've set everything up for you to succeed. I'm very passionate about our notaries winning, but I don't have time to sit with each person. There's no way. I'm only one person. There's no way. So, but the mentorship is amazing. People are winning. If you put the work in, I'm putting the work in with you. And I check the time. If you put the work in, I'm putting the work in with you. So if you're not doing it, I will know immediately by your question. Now, there is no stupid question, but if you ask me what is an acknowledgement, I already know you didn't watch the course, because I talk about that exhaustively, okay? If that's a word, I think it is. So let's see. How do I join? NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Ani says, tell them I charge for my scan backs. Yeah, so be careful of that. Ani's suggestion, if someone's calling you direct and you're asking your screening questions, and one of your screening questions may be, hey, do I need to do scan backs? And they say yes, then yes, you can add that additional fee. But if you accept a loan signing assignment from a company and it says scan backs required, you don't go and ask for additional money, okay? That will get you blackballed. Now, it's the difference between direct and when you work for a company. Direct, one of my questions that I ask is, are scan backs required? If so, then I might tack on some more money, okay, depending on how much they offered. So it's just depending on what's going on. So that's a great tip, Ani, but I got to make sure for my new people that they understand the process, because if they start just saying, well, you got to give me another $50 for scan backs or another $25 for scan backs, they won't work. So we got to make sure that we explaining it in such a way that they know what to do. Okay. Ani's doing weddings. We talked about that. Good and Home Services says, in doing field inspections now. I'm doing field inspections. Yes, field inspections are very lucrative. You can do quite a few of those to make a nice amount of money. You can. Yeah, they have to do self-teach as well to get better, not closings. Yeah, so either you're going to self-teach yourself or you're going to join mentorship, where I have all of the courses. I've taken my 5 to 6 years and put it into a course for you. Every part of the business, like I said, you want to know ink fingerprinting, how to complete the I-9 form. And you can self-teach, because I self-taught. Okay, but most people need things a little bit quicker. So like I said, what it's taken me 6 years to learn this part and learn that part, I got you going like boom, 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 boom. Okay, very quickly. So it's totally up to you. And I do recommend starting with general notary work, like Ani is saying. Yeah, Ani been with us for a moment. Eliana says, is the course going to discuss what printer I need for loan signing? I have Jeffrey going to go over that, Eliana. So I actually can put that on our list for the month of February, what equipment. And if you don't want to wait until we do the live session or record something about that, because I'm going to have Jeffrey do a whole thing about printers and equipment and stuff, because he's our equipment guru. You can always watch my video here on the YouTube channel where I talk about all the things I bought for my loan signing business. So yeah, it's not a big deal. We can tell you what kind of printer to get. I'll tell you right now, we recommend Brothers. A lot of people like HP. Going to be completely up to you. There is a whole list at the Notary Educators LLC website of recommended supplies. Okay, so that's totally up to you. But again, we like Brothers, and that seems to be the industry standard. We've never had a problem with ours. We've had it for like 5 years, and it's dual tray. Even if you can't find a dual tray nowadays, you can get a single tray and then use an app called Notary Rotary, because sometimes it's hard to find a dual tray printer, but it will make your life a whole lot easier. And you use something called Page Sorter over there, and it'll sort the pages for you. So for example, if you have a long package with mixed pages, like 10 legal size and the rest of them are letter, it'll pull out those 10 legal for you. Okay, so that's what I would recommend. And you don't ever have to wait until we get to a specific topic. As you're learning and you're growing your business, that's what the mentorship program is designed to do too. So you may be at the point where, hey, I've done the basic training and now I'm ready to build my business. Well, I'm going to tell you to watch the Build Your Business course, but as you're going through it, after you've gone through it and you have additional questions, write your notes, and then we'll talk about how to get you to the next level. So I've given you the basis of everything in the course, but then we're there live. It's myself, Alexis, and Jeffrey. Okay. Melon Express agrees that Brothers is where it's at. Yeah, that Brothers printer is the bomb.com. Yeah, I love my Brothers printer. So, and we have scanners. I have an Epson scanner. So all of that, again, is at the Notary Educators website. It's not a secret. Look under the Notary supply list for anyone that's watching and you're not sure what supplies to get. But I am going to have Jeffrey do a whole thing on printers and scanners and all of that. I'll try to bring him here on the channel, but I probably will have that included in mentorship, because sometimes people want to go buy all this stuff and they don't have their basic training yet, and that irritates me. I don't want you going to buy a car and you don't have a driver's license, okay? Or you have a driver's license, but you've never actually been on the road. Okay? All right, y'all. So I got about a few more. I got like 5 more minutes. And then anything else that I can answer for you in 4 minutes? We have about 4 minutes together, and then I must go to my next appointment. I'm trying to make sure everything is charged up, because kind of weird. My light, oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, I love the brightness. Really quick, I had someone ask today about their website. Someone from mentorship was talking about their website. And you see how bright my colors are, you know, even though the scammer that was in here earlier didn't like it. It makes you feel good, right? Bright colors. So it's the same thing with your website. I'll leave you with that last tip while I head out. Make sure everything is bright. Make sure it's cheery. Make sure it's inviting. Make sure it's warm. You know, blacks and golds can be kind of dark. So you might want to add a little splash of yellow, a little splash of blue. Alexis has a beautiful blue website. She created a beautiful emerald green. That is not my color green. I just don't like a lot of emerald green. I don't. Everybody got their thing. And she created a website for someone. Guys, that thing is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Well, I'm going to head out. I'm going to look for you guys over at mentorship. Again, all the courses are 60% off. Thank you, Lisa. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna head out, but go over to notaryeducatorsllc.com for all things training, all things notary, and we got you. So until next time, on behalf of Notary Educators with Kimmi, I did change the YouTube channel name in case you didn't catch that. It used to be Notary Life with Kimmi, but now it's Notary Educators with Kimmi, because we're trying to blend the brand. Everything. You are the brand. I'm gonna talk about that one day too. You are the brand. But anyway, until next time, guys, I'm gonna wish you guys much success, and I will see you later. Okay. Bye.